Hi guys, I'm still in St. Lucia. I'm going down towards the waterfall. You pay your fee up the top there. See, we're all walking down. You can see everybody walking down. So this is the rainforest. Yeah, we are walking down to the rainforest. And yeah, I'm so happy to go and see different places apart from Jamaica. This is St. Lucia. My voice is going. So we are just going down there, guys, to, yeah. So we are walking down, guys. Show you a little bit of where I'm going. Waterfall, guys. This is the Caribbean. Lovely. Lovely so far. Lovely so far. So we are walking down the waterfall. Careful, guys, don't slip. Don't slip, guys, don't slip. Look, guys, I'm in my flip-flop. Look how my feet is wet, guys. Look. Look. I'm still having the mud on. I want the mud to marinate in my whole body. So, guys, I'm going down. I'm going down, guys. Going down, going down. This is the rainforest. Can you see the forest, guys? Careful!
Oh my god, that's what you want to say. I thought it was a frog.
Eh?
No, it's not. It's not. I thought it was a frog. Sulphur Springs.
We're just coming from the sulfur spring. This is why my legs are so white. Sulfur spring. It's a lot of. That's where the volcano erupts as well. That's where the volcano erupts in St. Lucia. Guys, I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying everywhere. Everywhere. You can see. That's the sky you're looking at with all the trees. See, guys, look. Where's the ginger lily? This? This one?
Yes.
Guys, this is the ginger lily. Look at them, guys.
They're beautiful.
Beautiful ginger lilies.
Beautiful.
And guys, look, it's all wet. Can you see? It's all wet. It was raining. It was raining, guys. It's all wet. It's all wet, guys. So, yes.
Keep going, keep going.
Keep going, guys.
It's worth it when you get there.
Yeah. It's alright right now. I'm not even going to finish.
If it's raining, then we just shelter under these banana trees.
Rainforest in a very long
Yeah.
time. Look at that. Cocoa.
Excuse me.
Cocoa.
He's
You never
climbing
see
the
a
cocoa tree. The cocoa. Is it cocoa tree?
A cocoa. Cocoa.
Okay.
A cocoa.
Cocoa tree. Okay. Hey. The little one is walking with. He's strong. Look at him walking. What is? Oh. Let me taste one. Oh, that's the cocoa, guys. Look at the cocoa.
Suck on the seed.
Look at the cocoa, guys. I'm gonna suck on the seed, guys.
God, give me careful
Look.
when you talk that.
It's nice. Don't worry. Yeah. Thank you. We've got more here, guys. Let me share.
Nice.
You said no. I don't know. I don't. Is it nice? Is it nice, Tommy? I'm laughing, guys. I've got a hole off in my hand here. They say it tastes like soursop. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at the stairs, guys. We're going very far. This is a joke, guys. I'm tired. Look at everybody coming up. Look at them coming up.
It is a joke.
Oh my goodness. Hey.
Lord.
Where are we going? Up, down? Up.
We're going to where the water.
Look at it, guys. It's lovely. Tell me you can do yours.
Go back into this room. That's where we are going now.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
That's only one water people.
Come and do mine. Crack up in it.
Okay, guys. So, guys, we're going to be going down in there now. Watch the step, guys. Watch the step. And that's the water. Okay, so, guys, I can't bring my phone inside. So, I'm going to leave my phone. I can't bring my phone inside. I'm just showing you. If it's raining, then we can go under that shelter over there. The shelter over there. But yeah, we're all going down now, guys. Everyone is walking down. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.